Hello everyone and welcome in today's tutorial where we're going to learn about the erase, replace and insert functions. So this will be the last tutorial of this series. I hope you guys have learned something by the end of this series. And without further ado, let's start with the erase function. So as you see here, we have a string variable that has a long sentence. So when we print this out, it's this fully sentence. But for example, when we use the erase function, we start by erasing the 10th character to the end. So it counts 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from this to the end, it erases. So it erases what we have in our string. Like I said, it starts from erasing the 10th character to the end. So when we run this, hi, my name is Ognema and I love programming. Hi, my name. So we don't have it anymore. So that was easy, I guess. So now what we're going to do is we can learn about the replace of function. So what we can do is we're going to say replace 15 5 with TechLab. What we are saying is, okay, we have the S1 variable, but we're going to replace the characters starting from the 15 index and moving 5 spaces from it. So when we run this, let me just copy and paste this real quick. When we run this, you will see, hi, my name is Ognema and I love programming. Hi, my name is TechLab and oh, TechLab and I love programming. So maybe we can do this. Let's see. Hi, my name is Techlaba and I love programming. Okay, like nearly, yeah. So anyways, that's about the replace function. And now let's talk about the insert function. So what is the insert? For example, we have this right here. Let me just delete this and put it in a comment. And let's say we want to put Echlab before Ognema. Well, what we're going to do is when we use the insert function, for example, this is the 14th character, and we just put MC. We're not deleting anything. We are going to put, for example, MC or TechLab or teacher or something like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the insert function. So insert, and let's say the 14th character will say TechLab. Oops, let me put it in a string. And perfect. So now when we copy and paste this here, and we run this, this is Ogne this is TechLab Ognema and I love programming. So let's just put it like this so it looks better. Hi, my name is TechLab Ognema and I love programming. So these are the main string functions. There are a lot of string functions, but these are the main ones. So I hope you enjoyed this series so far and see you in the next series. Bye.